We'll give it a try here, see how we do. Well, I sell the morning paper, sir. My name is Jimmy Brown. Everybody knows that I'm the newsboy of the town. You'll hear me in the morning stars. I run along the street. Got no hat upon my head, no shoes upon my feet. Sir, how I look, don't look at me and frown. I sell the morning paper, sir, my name is Jimmy Brown. I'm awful cold and hungry, sir, my clothes are worn and thin. I wander around from place to place, my daily bread to win. Sir, I heard my mama say, now I am helping mother, sir, as I journey on my way. And mother always tells me, sir, I've nothing in the world to lose. I got a place in heaven, sir, selling the gospel news. Sell the morning paper, sir, my name is Jimmy Brown. Everybody knows that I'm the newsboy of the town. You'll hear me yelling morning stars, I run along the street. Got no hat upon my head, no hair neither, huh? No shoes upon my feet.
Florida Moon. It was written by Charley Groth, who was a folk singer who lived down here in Florida. Played with him many times at the Barberville folk festivals and different places. So we're going to do this. Florida Moon. captured, time's gone by. All that I swear we'll try and try to live again that sweet old life we used to live. Oh, Florida moon keeps shining down through the live oak trees. In my memory, it's like a favorite tune. Oh, how I'd love to go someday back to the south and by the bay, and back to you and that Florida moon. Oh, how I'd love to go someday back to the south and by the bay, and straight back to you and that Florida moon. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Everybody having a good time?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's good.
Good music, good food.
Well, the night was clear, and the stars were shining, and the moon came up to light the sky. All the people gathered round, while the band was playing. I can hear them now, playing "Coming to the Ride." She was dressed in blue, and she looked so lovely, just a gentle flower of a small town girl. Then he took her hand, and they danced to the music with a single smile. She became his girl, and they danced all night to the fiddle and the banjo. Their drifting tunes seemed to fill the air. So long ago, but they still remember when they fell in love at the Roseville Fair. Now they courted well, and they courted dearly. They rocked for hours in the front porch chair. Then a year went by from the time that he met her, and he made her his at the Roseville Fair. And they danced all night to the fiddle and the banjo. Their drifting tunes seemed to fill the air. So long ago, but they still remember when they fell in love at the Roseville Fair. So here's a song for all you lovers, and here's a tune that you can share. May you dance all night to the fiddle and the banjo, the way they did at the Roseville Fair. The way they did at the Roseville Fair. Yeah, cute song. Did meet my wife at a fair. I met her at a 3 for 99-cent hamburger restaurant. Want to sing a song with us?